and always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some sneakers that are gonna be releasing in the next few months before the year is over, and I'm gonna talk about how you can cop them using Addict. If you guys end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bells so that you're notified each and every time we post a new video. I have a giveaway going on for this Supreme TNF shoulder bag. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and follow nori.archives on Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and DM me on there a screenshot showing proof that you did both of those things. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. The first pair I'm gonna talk about is probably one of my favorite, and it's one of two dunks that we're gonna be seeing for Halloween. One of them being the mummy dunks. These go crazy, bro. The fact that they're glow in the dark on the outsole, they're almost like this creamish color, and they have that just strong green at the bottom. They're so fire with the lime green hints, the tear away little pieces of canvas on the sneaker, the eyes on the back. These are crazy, bro. It almost looks like a bandage on the actual sneaker, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it tears away. I know the back does to reveal the eyes. These are gonna go for something precious. We also have another pair, which is these glow-in-the-dark skeleton Air Force Ones, also supposed to release in October before Halloween. Obviously, we've seen the orange and black pair release in previous years, and I believe this purple pair is actually kind of fire as well. Another rumored release are these Jordan 2 off-whites. These are crazy. Let me know what y'all have to say about these in the comments. Honestly, what do you rate these? I feel like a lot of people either love them or hate them. There's like no in between when it comes to this sneaker. I personally love them, and I love the box actually. It's like see-through, almost like a casing for a sneaker. It's just so fire. I love what he did with the translucent cracked midsole. These are gonna go for at least $700. I don't feel like they'll go anything over that, simply because it is a Jordan 2, and I don't feel like Virgil has the pull enough to solely bring the Jordan 2. There has to be other people making Jordan 2s alongside Virgil to make that sneaker come back. But these are clean though, and I do love that signature on the side. Those are gonna go for bread. But we do have the pearl dunks coming out. Honestly, these are women's, but there's so many dunks coming out that low-key, if you try these and you don't hit, just wait, because they're coming with another one soon, bro. Like literally, just keep trying for the dunks until you hit. That's what I did, and I finally did recently hit. These are fire. I feel like resale for these, honestly, I don't even know. There's so many dunks that they just get watered down and lost in the mist. We got these two pairs coming out, the championship dunks, which have been getting pushed back literally every week. Now these come out Thursday, which is probably tomorrow when I'm posting this video. We have the red and white pair coming out, and we also do have the women's, almost like Carolina blue with the white coming out. Those are fire as well. Personally, I would rock with the baby blue pair, the UNC color, and then you also do have that red with the white. Both of these I feel like are pretty clean. Definitely that baby blue color. I feel like when it comes to baby blue and dunks, people love that shit and they eat it up every single time. And hey, don't sleep. So right now, I'm gonna explain one of the best ways to cop the most hype releases for retail. Addict is the fastest and most reliable iOS bot, covering over 85 stores, including Adidas, Supreme, Yeezy, Undefeated, Babe, many more tier 0 retailers as well. So you can cop all your Jordan and Dunk needs. From sneakers to clothing, they got you covered. Addict actually rarely restocks, and whenever they do, they sell out pretty quickly. For your best chances at copying the bot, you need to sign up on their newsletter at addict.io. It's gonna be linked at the top of the description for y'all. It honestly sells out pretty quick, so whenever they text you that they're restocking, you should go ahead and check it out if it's something you're interested in. There's actually gonna be a restock on October 6th at 3 p.m. PST. Addict Technologies is probably the most advanced for any iOS bot. They frequently update the bot to make sure that everything is running smoothly, and not too long ago, they even came out with Addict 2.0, which has been helping so many more users cook up with features like hybrid mode, letting you go into your actual tasks and switch things around if need be, to restock mode, which is probably one of the best features. All you have to do is leave your tasks running, and if the item restocks, it cooks up for you. Honestly, this has helped a lot of people cook up Air Force Ones because those restock sporadically. They offer unlimited tasks that you can go ahead and create 3 to 7 tasks per per item that you want to raise your chances at succeeding on these cops. It's request based, meaning that if the site shuts down, it could go through the back end and still try to check out. Easy Mode 2.0 has also cooked up for a lot of users. Literally all you gotta do is copy and paste the Yeezy supply link onto your task. There's free updates for life, so any update that comes out in the future, it's automatically yours for free. Addict has been working behind the scenes on something major for current users. They have a Discord as well as a YouTube channel with more details and informations on any releases, keywords, and everything you could possibly need is on those two things as well. But the best thing of all is that there is no renewal fee, so once you buy this bot, it's yours for life. With Addict, you have the option to check out using Sezzle. This means that you buy the bot and you pay it in 4 installments of $30, and it's honestly a good opportunity for somebody trying to make some money on the side. So if you guys are interested in checking out addict.io, it will be linked at the top of the description. Sign up for their newsletter to be notified when they restock on October 6th at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But let's go ahead and talk about a couple more kicks, then we're straight up out the building. So another pair of sneakers that are recently surfacing are these Jordan 6 in the UNC colorway. These shits look fire. I honestly love this take on the Carmine color blocking. This baby blue with the UNC, you just cannot go wrong with it. These are probably gonna sell out. I don't know if they're gonna do good resale wise because it is a Jordan 6 at the end of the day, but these are solid, bro. Let me know what you guys have to say about these. I feel like these are gonna come out for like 190, 200. Resale might be 230, 240 on these, if that. Solid pair of sneakers for sure. I love this colorway, but we do have the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Ooh! On December 11th, 2021, we're gonna see these retro. I've been waiting to buy these sneakers since I was in high school, bro. So I'm gonna need these for sure. I got the Space Jams, the Concords, and the Breads. I'm missing the Cool Grays, and I'm gonna need these. No bullshit. Like if I take an L on these, I'm gonna have to pay resale. Just like these Lightning 4s, which I still need. If y'all have a pair size 10, 10 and a half for a decent price, you feel me? Like don't hit me over the neck for the pair. Let me know in my DMs. But we do got the unbleached, which we don't have an official date for, but they look fire. There's 2 different colorways. One of them is like this white gum, almost like a peanut color. I feel like these go hard. Honestly, that canvas is clean on them. The low pair is definitely my favorite. It's almost like literally a bleached pair of Dunks. These go fire with that canvas gum outsole, almost like these bleach stains on it. There's no official release, but I know that when these come out, they're gonna do better than those regular just simple colorway college Dunks type shit. These have more like thought behind it, more patterns, more different like shit to it, you feel me? So these are gonna be worth a little bit more. Let me know what y'all have to say about those, but that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know if you enjoyed this one. Leave a like on it if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.